How does the Safari ARMAX ECU protect your vehicle? The Safari ARMAX ECU proudly earned an IP68 rating, meaning it's dust-proof and waterproof. This waterproofing means you can drive your vehicle in water up to 1 metre continuously. This means you're not restricted in any of your travels. Cold engine protection is a safety feature introduced by Safari. So when the engine is cold, we don't modify your vehicle. As the engine warms up, we progressively ramp in power until the engine is fully hot. Torque reduction on gear change is a function of the standard vehicle. The ECU reduces engine torque whilst the gear change is occurring. This allows the gear change to happen smoothly and precisely and look after the durability of the components inside the transmission. The Safari ARMAX ECU replicates this function and offers the same level of protection. EGT, or exhaust gas temperature control, is one of the main protection systems of the Safari ARMAX ECU. This sophisticated system constantly live monitors the exhaust gas temperature of the engine. When abnormally high temperatures are reached, the Safari ARMAX ECU will reduce the amount of fuel to the engine and always protect the vehicle under all conditions. These protection systems and more are standard in the Safari ARMAX ECU and is backed by Safari's engine and drivetrain warranty. This gives you total peace of mind whilst travelling around in your vehicle.